According to 2024 school certificate, the first question was to simplify. Now allow me to talk about this question. Number one, when they say simplify, you shouldn't have to include brackets. Your final answer should not have brackets. When you introduce the brackets, it means factorize. So here you have to remove the brackets. How do you remove the brackets? This scalar, the number outside the bracket, should multiply everything inside the bracket. So meaning the number outside should multiply everything inside the bracket. That is the way we should tackle this question. So you agree with me that 3 times 2x, it will be 6x. Then when you multiply this 3 times that one, I'll get negative 12. When negative 2 times x, I'll get negative 2x. Negative and negative, I'll get positive. So here I'll get 2, I'll get positive, and of course 2 times 1, it is 2. When you reach there, you put the like terms together. You put 6x, you subtract 2x, I'm putting the like terms together, minus 12. These are the numbers on the number line. You agree with me that this one is 4x plus, mind you, it's not plus because of this is a negative, so I'll have minus 10. So this is what I was talking about. When you reach here, this is your final answer. No need of you factorizing again. We shouldn't have to factorize, but your final answer should end there. I think we are done with question number 1. Let's look at question number 2, how they brought. The second question was to do with the indices. The first law of indices states that any number raised to 0 is 1. So solution to this problem, we are saying any number to the power 0. So here I've got a 1. This simply means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2. You agree with me that this is a 4 times 2, this is 8. So 1 times 8, the answer will be 8. And that is what was expected of us to do. So this is how we were supposed to answer this question. Any number to the power 0 is 1. Then when they say 2 to the power 3, it does not mean that 2 times 3. No, it means 2 times 2 times 2. Therefore, 1 times 8, it is 8. So thank you. This was question number 2. Question number 3. Factorize completely. Viewers, this is where I told you that to simplify, you have to remove the brackets. But to factorize, you have to introduce the brackets. So I'm going to introduce the brackets on this question, which is 27y squared minus 3x squared. So I have to introduce the brackets. So the difference between to simplify, you have to remove the brackets. To factorize, you have to introduce the brackets. So here I can see 2 things. I can see the 3 can go there. So 3 comes out. I'll remain with 9y squared minus x squared. Immediately these are squared. I love my method. Jesus died on the cross. Under Jesus died on the cross, there are 2 operations. One is positive, the other is negative. Is it which letter? Which letter did they multiply by itself to 8x squared? It is x. Is it true that x times x is x squared? Yes. Again, is it true that y times y is y squared? Which number should I multiply by itself to get 9? It is 3. Is it true that 3 times 3 is equal to 9? Yes. So 3y times 3y is equal to 9y squared. So from there, you put these in brackets. You agree with me that you bring down this 3, which you had factorized. Then you take the one which is 3y plus x. The other one, it will be 3y minus x. It means I have simplified. This was question number 3. So our question number 3 was to do with factorize completely. Viewers, fellow viewers, kindly let's subscribe. Let's support this program. When you subscribe, it means you are helping the channel. So please kindly, you can see that here I've introduced the brackets. This is how we introduce the brackets. So when they say factorize completely, you introduce the brackets and it means you have factorized completely. Thank you.